Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shashank and so today we'll be seeing how we can install the Android operating system on our PCs. So let's quickly go ahead to google.com and type in Remix OS, and it's the second website here. So let's quickly go ahead and click on it. It's by jite.com, so it's called the Remix OS. And now let's click on Remix OS for PC. So as you can see here, they've given built for PC speed and performance and things like that. Actually, the Android operating system runs pretty smooth on the Windows PCs because it gets way more resources than it requires. So now let's download either the 64-bit or the 32-bit, whichever is relevant to your PC. So I'll be downloading the 64-bit version. So to check if your PC is a 32-bit or 64-bit, just do what I just did, and you'll be getting to know. As you can see, for me it's 64-bit operating system, so you'll get to know which operating system is yours. In case you do not have Windows 10, you can right click on my computer and hit on properties, so that also shows you if your PC is 32-bit or 64-bit. So since I've already downloaded all these files which I asked you to download, which you were supposed to download from there, the website, so let's extract it, and it's done. So what we need to do now is just start the Remix OS installation tool. So once it's done, now ISO file, it directly asks us to locate it, so let's go ahead and locate it. And yes, here it is. Click open. Now choose the drive quickly and hit OK. Okay, so we're getting an error here. Turn off the secure boot. So let's go ahead and do it quickly. When your PC is restarting, so as I restart my PC, hit F12. So it's going to get you to this. So hit on BIOS setup. And in many PCs it might be different, but since I'm using a Dell laptop, it's this way for me. So in case you're using a Dell laptop, kudos, this is how it's going to be. So what we need to do is enable legacy ROM option and also disable secure boot. So first let's disable secure boot. Click yes, apply, and then we need to also enable legacy ROM option. So let's go back and enable that. Yeah, so once it's done, let's click exit quickly and it will reboot the system. So once it reboots, let's go back and start the Remix OS installation tool. And this time I don't think we'll be getting any errors. Directly we can proceed. Hit OK, and now it asks you what size do you want. So this is basically the internal memory of your operating system. So since I have space, I just switch to 16 GB. So you need to carefully choose that option, as later you cannot really expand it, or if you require more space, then it becomes difficult. However, the other drives are available, so you can use it only for the apps. So it directly gives you an option to reboot, and once you've done that, this is what happens. Let's wait for this to load up. Then let's set it up quickly. Yeah, it's done. So this is how it looks like. So now let's restart this again and go back to Windows. Since many people, when they install different operating systems, what actually happens is that their Windows files are vanished, and their drives, all their drives just become one drive, one single drive, and that's where they get all the data of that operating system. But however, in this OS I haven't really noticed any such changes. and it sticks on to its 16 GB which is allocated to it. So now as you can see, we come back to Windows and let's quickly go ahead and see where it is installed. So there's the Remix OS folder, and this is where all its files are. So you can also hit right click and check properties. You will find that it's around 17 GB or something. Yeah, that's it. So both the OS work properly. However, the Remix OS advanced option is like an incognito mode or private mode. So that's it for this video, guys. Thanks a lot. See you.